going on? 304, we are back here with a new video, of course. You know, that's why I'm here, but something a little different. I'm gonna start maybe something new on the channel, just with me. I think I'm gonna call it some Moto vlogs, because today is a very big day for me. Going to the DMV to slap a tag on that bike. Got my license. Gonna see if they'll go and slap that, do all that transaction, see if they'll go and knock that out for me. Letting the car warm up because it's a little nipply. Gonna get back, put the tag on, get suited up, might go for a ride today, and I'd love for you guys to come with me on my first ride, legal. So yeah, I'm pretty excited, drinking a Red Bull, so let the car warm up, because it's 27 degrees right now. It's a little cold, so we'll see how this goes. Hunter's got his license already, a bike, a tag. He's good. He's just waiting on me. And then I think he wants to go to the Harley shop today. I'll try to film some of that. It's they're showing off all their new 2021 models, I guess, which I don't know why they would have done it sooner. I'm not, but you know. So try to film some of that. We might go to the Harley shop, like I said, and just try to get some footage of on the bike riding, testing out how I've got the GoPro set up for when I am on the bike, because I do have 2 of them I'm going to try to use. Thought that'd be pretty cool. So yeah, stay tuned. Hopefully you guys enjoy this, because I know I definitely will. Let's get to it. All right, guys. You know what time it is. Got the tag. It's insured. Got my license. So one thing left to do now is go for that first ride. 100% legal. All right. I'm going to go and fire it up. Let it warm up for a little bit. Finish getting my helmet on. Get the GoPro set up. And see you guys at Hunter's. Well, since I got you, let's do this cold start. Bike will sound beefy. Here we go. Here we don't go. Oh, here we go. Kill switch is on. Good habit to get into. Oh, yeah. I'm excited, guys. So yeah, see you guys on the road with the GoPro footage. This is exciting, guys. I don't know if you can hear me. Now would be a good time to talk, because I'm not on the throttle. We're in neutral, just coasting down the hill right now. I gotta stop it. I'm gonna put some gas in it. Of course, it really doesn't need it. We'll see how she does. And you've been sitting most of the winter with this gas in it. We'll see what happens. So far, it's not too cold, but it's gonna change when I get going. Right now, we're only doing like 10 miles an hour. So yeah. Alright, we in first. We're gonna let this car go by, because I got a hair in my mouth. Oh, gotta make sure my vents are open. That'd be nice. This is only my second time riding this bike on the main roads, so just bear with me here. I'm still pretty new at riding in general. I mean, I rode for a season like 2 years ago. That wind's cold.
Oh, come on, you do it too. You got to, you're going to the bridge. Isn't that like biker code or something? I mean, I don't know. Sounded good. Alright, I'm taking the long way. I can't do 37 today. It is way too cold for that. Woo, boy. I tell you what. Probably a little too cold altogether, to be completely honest. It's cold, man. I can't feel my fingers 'cause it's cold, but I love it. I will admit, buying a leather jacket was the smartest thing I've ever done. It's just my fingers and my thighs, and I'm wearing pants and a pair of sweatpants, and I'm still cold. This is awesome. You have no idea. This is fucking amazing. Ooh. First. Of course, I'm probably just gonna kind of do a little bit of a rolling stop here. Yep, that's me. We gotta work on that shit between first and second. A little sketchy. And this thing, it's factory exhaust, but the baffles are out of it. And I think it sounds pretty good. I think it's just enough sound to let people know I'm here. Yeah, no, but it's not like them Harley rides. This isn't a Harley. I don't do that. It's a Kawasaki, but I call it a Kawasaki. You know. She does need a name. Like, comment. Well, you don't have to like. You can like if you want, but comment a name for this beast. She's cherry red. She's a big 900. Well, it's kind of small, but you know, 900 red. I mean, she's cherry as red. She needs a name. The Jeep's got its name. It's the Black Pearl. My car has a name. It's a reference to an old car. The bike needs a name, ladies and gentlemen. She needs a name, and plain and simple. Second. We're going to kind of do another roll and stop. That seems to be what I do. Get in the third. Go ahead and hop on over here. Yep. Nice and warm. Don't you do it. That's what I thought. Wearing a mask while they drive. Like, what? That doesn't make any sense, does it? I mean, I don't understand this world, guys. I don't. Well, I'm glad I got into motorcycles, man. You know, it's therapy, you know. Uh-oh. Easy, fellas, easy. Busy intersection too. I mean, this is a busy road altogether. You're gonna be doing that dumb shit. That's not right, man. Well, yeah. I mean, a car would be a little different, I guess. I don't know. I'm just rambling on at this point. How you doing? He couldn't hear me, headphones on. What a piece of shit, man. Alright. We're very close to Hunters. Who's got the right of way here? Alright, I do. My pigs, there you go. Give her the beans, man! Give her the beans! Here comes the railroad tracks. There's my job. Alright, here we go. Hold on. Oh boy. Oh, that wasn't too bad. There was a time when I was on a bike. I ate shit right there. Yeah, cars went by laughing at me. I didn't laugh, it hurt. I smelled a skunk. I mean, you just gotta give her the beans every now and again, right? Give her the beans. Oh god, what gear am I in? My blinker's still on. Should I wave at the mopeds? Yeah, I'll wave at the mopeds. They don't care. They don't like me. I tried though. I did. I gave them a little wave. Alright, this is the road to Hunters. How you doing? Give me the beans! This is fucking awesome! Ah! I must say, my cheap Amazon phone mount hasn't lost my phone yet. So, that's a plus. Oh, he's turning. He's turning. Wake up. He's turning. He's turning. Alright, there we go. Cool, cool. Got a good one. Got a good one. She cut off when I pulled up in the driveway. I don't know why.
Probably let you. I don't know.
That was just weird.
Let's listen to some Travis Scott on the way there.
Jesus. I'm gonna get on the sidewalk.
Ooh, na, na, na.
American made. I tell you what, boy. Gotta fuck with him a little bit, you know. Hunter doing the weeble wobble. No blinker. Shit, buddy, stink.
home safe. Met up with Hunter, as you saw. I'll try to post some of the GoPro footage before this one so you can see a little bit of the riding. Made it into town. He's getting a haircut. I don't know. And I guess maybe we'll go to the Harley shop, I think, afterwards. Like I said, they're doing that event today. We'll see what happens. They might accept me. I am on a Kawasaki. But here's the beautiful duo here. Yeah, stay tuned. We'll see what we get into. What's up, guys? Hunter decided to come on up here at my place. There he is. I can't, the sun's right in my eyes. I really can't see. But as you can tell, both bikes are safe. Great day. We had one little incident. You've seen it right before this. Comment down below what you think. You think that car was a little too close to Hunter or not? Let me know. I know the GoPro makes it seem like he was up there, but he was right on Hunter. I don't think he saw Hunter. So yeah. I think I'm gonna do a video tomorrow too. I'm gonna go up to Dad's for Easter, do some footage there, right then and there, you know. Stay tuned. If you like this, like seeing the motorcycles, let me know down in the comments. As always, just subscribe and like, and I'll see you guys in the next one. This has been 304 with Hunter, and we are out of here.